Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your US bank with the OnePay app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you use US Bank and you want to use it to fund your OnePay app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first things first, let's log on to the OnePay app. Then click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then click on Account. Then click on Linked Accounts. Then click on Link Bank Account. Now, once you've done so, it's going to redirect you to Plaid. So what Plaid is that it keeps your data safe. Click on Get Started, then click on Continue as Guest, then click on US Bank. It's now going to prompt you to log into your US Bank so that you can select which accounts you want to connect to the OnePay app. But simply follow the on-screen prompts and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your US Bank to the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.